Okay. Okay. So actually, welcome to the OCP, my session, Enflame as Accelerator CloudBlazER T11. So I will introduce 4 topics will be covered today. So I will quickly introduce Enflame because our Enflame is a startup company, right? Just not just joined the OCP. Then I will cover the Enflame OAM CloudBlazER T11 product. Then we'll introduce our SMI tools. Then I will simply introduce our top rider software stack as well. So about Enflame. So Enflame is a startup company founded 2008 March, right? So our goal is provide accessible, affordable AI computing and work with our partner, both the software partner and hardware partner, to provide AI infrastructure. Right. So for financing, I just simply introduce currently we totally get 1.34 billion RMB from our investor, right? From pre-A and B series, right? So our new investor is coming later soon, right? So our product just launched the T10 and T11. So we just start our product developed from 2019 April. Then we get ASIC back to 2019 September, and then we launch our product 2019 December, and then just we get our CloudBlazER T10 production 2020 June, and we get our first customer in CSP data center, and we deployed a cluster in their data center and the data distribution system. So I just talk about our Enflame OCP story, right? So last year, I visit OCP China Day and meet with me, Chen, and Tiffany and other guys, and we just feel the OCP the OCP ecosystem is very, very powerful. Then can Enflame have to join the OCP as soon as possible. I just report the situation to our leader team. Then we get approved. Then we start our OAM CloudBlazER T11 design, and our product show our in our launch day 2019 December. Let's just show our OAM, right? So today we just work with some partner, and we get work with Inspo. We already show our OAM module with the Inspur's MX1 in today after this afternoon. You can see Trend OCP Day. We have a demo show, right? So continually we will work with more our vendor, our partner, to enable more OEM system in China market. Okay, so I can feel the OCP ecosystem is very, very open, right? So even Enflame is a startup company, we still have opportunity work with global industrial technical leader company, and if you have the technology innovation, right? So we can make this ecosystem open and win together, open together and win together. Okay, so let me introduce our CloudBlender T11 Spec. So our OAM T11 is fully compliant OAM spec 1.0. So the total power consumption is 200 watts. So we support 48 and 54 volt power input to provide the efficiency, high efficiency power PDN, right? So cooling also, we support the 3OU passive air cooling right now. So for interface, we support the PCIe Gen 4 by 16, and we also support for link, we call the GCU layer for interconnection, and eight lanes per GCU layer. So total we can provide 200 gigabyte per second bandwidth. So our performance for the FP32, we provide 22 T-flops, and for FP16 we provide 86 T-flops. So we also support the BF16, also provide the 86 T-flops. So this would be for we mainly high performance on FP32 and BF16. Yeah. Okay, so this is our mapping at the single chassis HCM topologies. Yeah. So because we support the 4x8 length, our GCU layer. So we use the 1H, 3L, 4L, and 6L links. So our currently we support these topologies, right? So but current the UBB spec, we may not support the QSFP-DD because we use the CCIX topology. The redriver may not work with our topologies. So we also propose a new UBB topologies which can make all different topologies can support the SFQ DD, right? So you can see the picture middle. You just add 2 or 5. You can also get the 6x8 or 6x16 HCM to support the SFP QSFP-DD connector, and you also add 7 the 7 lanes the links. You also can support QSFP-DD as well. So our proposed UBB topologies can support all QSFP-DD, right? So the picture is just to show the UBB with the 8 our OAMs. Right. So the single rack scale R, right? So we also support HCM model, and we support the full GCU layers, right? So we can provide low latency, lower than 800 nanosecond, and high bandwidth OAI box to box, and no switch. For single rack, we don't need any RDMA switch. We can support these HCM topologies. So this would be can provide the best TCO and less cable and artistic cable management. So our single rack distribution system would be just a very less cable we can support. So we can also extend to the distribute the cluster scale R. So this cluster can support the 2D torus topologies. So this is a sample as 124 CloudBlazer T11 as a sample. We can provide the vertical rings and the horizontal rings. So also we use the single rack. You still needn't any RDMA just for our GCU layers, and to support the distance between the racks. So we use the 2 RDMA network card to link the different racks. Then we can provide the vertical rings support. So this would be also this is no RDMA switch, just point to point connection. So this can provide the most or best AI cluster TCO interconnection, right? Because there is no any RDMA switch here, right? That will be very expensive, right? Okay, so this is all mostly talk about our hardware to support the distribution cluster. Yeah, so this topic I will talk about Enflame tools. Enflame also provide Enflame SMI and ML management library. So we also have the Enflame plugin to support the system config, health monitor, state telemetry character, and the firmware management. And we next, because the OAM OAI team also driving the OAM tool, and next plan we will move. We will develop our SMI interface and the library to compliant with the OAM tools. This one is in our current plan, right? So we will talk with the OAM tool later to get the more involved for this one. Okay. So this topic is Enflame software stack. So with the lower layer with a hardware platform, we support T10 and T11 and our next gen GCU. So we have the driver layer and the kernel model driver, and we have the strong our SDK, TOPS Primal, TOPS Operator, and the TOPS Neural and TOPS Kits. We also provided our distributed management TOPS metrics. I just a quick simple introduce our module. TOPS Primal is our program module, right? So use this program module so our customer can generate their operator automatically. So that would be some customer operator. So customer can use the TOPS Primal to generate their customized operator. So for TOPS operator, this is our operator library. We support 500 plus operators right now. We support some operator optimization such as fuse operator, customized operators, and we also support FP32, FP16, and BF16. So TOPS metrics is our distribution system solution. We also provide the ECCL Enflame corrective communications library to support our GCU layer and the PCI peer-to-peer and such communication. We also support the distribution menu system hardware and the K8s and Dockers. And so through our software stack, we wanted to provide the total solution to our customer and our partners, and then they can just open the box and they can enable their modules and can enable their business quickly, right? So summary, Enflame is start from the ASIC board design. That's our product. We work with our ODM like Inspur to provide the system, right? So we also have the strong software stack can help our customer to develop their module and business quickly. And thank you. This is our my topic.